Okay, so we poured the rough-in plumbing trenches with concrete yesterday. I just wanted to show you something. You know, I showed you how I prepared the toilets. I wrapped them with some styrofoam and then some duct tape around it, and then we poured the cement around that. And I'm just in the process of taking these out. Just wanted to show you the result. Basically, it gives you a nice nice area that you can drop the toilet flange in. And the toilet flange we're using are these here. So we got basically this area, this has got to drop into that hole, which the caps are still on, but you can't do it, but it's going to drop right in. It's going to drop in, and then we're going to be able to drill these 4 holes. Sorry, wrong one. We drill the 4 holes, and we had enough room on the outside so that it can be secure. Anyway, just first time I tried it, somebody told me to try it, and it seems to work perfect.